the rapid fire round now. So where you have to choose one out of the two options. And also we are looking forward for your thoughts on that, what you select to. So the first one is Tesla or Edison?
I prefer Tesla.
Okay. Any?
No, it's just they have achieved better.
Okay. NGF or being consultant?
AGF, because I learned everything in AGF and used it as a consultant.
Okay. AC motors or blowers?
AC motors, because it's basically a motor which drives the blower. Blower cannot run on its own.
Okay. And mechanical or electromechanical?
Electromechanical, because there you have a scope will enlarge much more.
Being more to personal. Engineer or family man?
Family man.
Great.
If you are a good family man, you will be a good engineer,
That's
not
sweet.
otherwise.
Okay. Coming to the current situation, petrol or diesel vehicle or electric vehicles?
Electric vehicles, naturally, because fossil fuels cannot last long.
True. Sir, hardbound big books or Wikipedia? I see many books in your home.
I am basically a bookworm, especially technical books, which I used to study. But Google is just unthinkable. You get everything and everything. And hats off to the person who has created that.
Great. So we are moving to the next segment now. For your consultant role. So after your tenure with NGEF, you transitioned to working as a consultant. What prompted this change and what insights have you gained from this role?
See, instead of calling as consultant, I would say after NGEF, I was still young at the age of 58 and with so much of knowledge should be shared. So, when we have to share the knowledge, we have to become a consultant and keep on giving our knowledge to others so that they use it. So, I prefer to be a consultant, but I never worked as a consultant with Daulatram. I am part and parcel of Daulatram. And I will be a part and parcel till my last breath.
So what made you to be so keen on sharing your knowledge?
See, sharing our knowledge, I consider is very, very important. Because, let me tell you, what happens when I die? They just burn my body along with my knowledge. If I don't share my knowledge, the knowledge is all burnt. So we must share our knowledge so that others use it and develop it further. If Sir Isaac Newton had not told the apple fell because of the gravity, maybe after so many years somebody else would have found out. But today his name is in everybody's tongue. Otherwise, people will not remember that such a thing people said, and we can develop it further. So I believe that we must share our knowledge. Whether it is for money or free, it's different. It is individual choice, but it should be shared.
Great vision, sir. Sir, as we wrap up, your journey is truly, truly inspiring. Looking back, what advice would you give to aspiring engineers and what reflections do you have on your incredible career?
See, I used to tell everyone whom I meet, but don't do everything for money. Money is the last thing you have to look into. You must first do the job properly. perfectly. Then, if people are satisfied, they will give you more money than what you require, or maybe what you deserve. And somebody had wrote a beautiful small poem in Kannada. If somebody can understand, or I can also translate it into English, is ಪಚ್ಚ ಪೀತಾಂಬರ ಕೊಡುವಾತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳದಿರಿ ಕವಲ ಭಕ್ಷ ಭೋಜ್ಯಾದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಾತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳದಿರಿ ಅವಲ. That means the God is ready to give you beautiful clothes, everything. But if you ask him only give me a towel, he will give towel and go away. And he is ready to give you wonderful food. But you ask some pounded rice, avalakki, he will give that and go away. So never ask anything. What you deserve, God gives, he knows, he gives. So I don't generally ask anything anybody.
Thank you so much for sharing your insights, sir. So your experience is truly inspiring for us. It's been an absolute pleasure having you on the show, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Guest host, I am truly honored to interact with sir, and I would like to thank IIPH Lab for inviting me for this session. Uh, IIPH Lab embrace the potential of sharing knowledge as it propels us towards the journey of progress. As we bid farewell for now, always remember that each exchange of wisdom marks a stride towards a more promising future. I extend heartfelt gratitude to the dedicated team at IIPH Labs for making this endeavor possible. This is Aishwarya Balakrishnan, honored to host this event, and I'm delighted to observe the valuable insights shared by Mr. Prabhakar sir. Lastly, instill in children the art of learning from nature as it nurtures their curiosity. For engineering students, prioritize the technology that aligns with sustainability principles, pollution-free and renewable energy solutions. Let's unite to safeguard our precious Mother Earth.